Welcome back to our channel. And back to the tutorial for Python. Today we visit a small topic that is called small project. How to build a GUI application to get live stock price using Python. So as of know today, stock market is a stock price. Predicting the stock price and finding is very important, useful one. So if you want to, you can do with the help of some of the Python library with the help of TK inter concept only. So here, before that, we have now how it's output like this. So here like this. So suppose I want to execute the project whenever the company is simple. F they means it show the stock result is 13.8, that is real time protection. So real time to say 13.8. Whenever and after some time to change, I have to give the name company symbol A, B or A, P, F like that. So once give and press the show button, it will go. So for this one, what are the things you record means you have to think about you have to think about that means you have to go for live share prices each company and bind it with the GUI application. So for this one, we need support the Yahoo underscore fin model. We need the model always is to scrap historical stock price data as well as to provide current information on market caps, dividend yields, and which stocks comprise the major exchanges. So if you want to install everything, we need the pip install Yahoo underscore fin. So do you want to execute the project, whether you want to in Pycharm or whatever you want, Python ideal or anywhere, repeat anything. So first thing is you have to install the library called Yahoo underscore pin, that is called pip install Yahoo underscore pin. After installation, you could go for coding. I switch on the another screen for coding Python where I already executed. So it's a one where we can write the coding like this. First line is you can import. So from t Yahoo underscore pin import stock underscore info. This is the one saying we are going to import the stock information at real time. Then we are writing pk enter from tk enter space import asterisk symbol to import the tk enter window, and we are going to call the function called stock underscore price definition space stock underscore price. Then we are writing price equal to stock underscore info dot get live price of e1 dot get. Then we are writing current underscore stock dot setup price. Then we are writing the code master is equal to tk, then writing current underscore string value variable. So what are the user we are going to give something in the screen, to take it in the command the button we take. Then we're going to label, we're giving the label as company symbol and stock result as result. So we are predefining with the label with the row 0 street leave w and so on, and we are going to go the result is equal to the label of master text equal to some text variable is equal to current underscore stock to display the information about the stock. Last it have to print the result. That reason we are writing the code here, and we are going to write e1 is equal to entry of master, then continue with the grid of e1 dot grid of row is equal to 0, column is equal to 1, and writing we are creating a button b, we are writing text show command is equal to stock price. So when you give show button, it have display the information as it look in the screen, and writing the, and we are going to define the size for the grid row, then we are going to complete with the main loop. So this is a very simple project where we can easily get the stock price easily at present. So we can use the definition of a stock price, and we are defining the things and with the button and so on result and so on. Let's go for execution. So once go for execution, it display the information like this. So here, so showing just I'm pressing F and showing it show the information of 13 point something, or else I'm going to type A B like A E like that. So already predefined with the library, it's showing. So it show definitely. You go and click it here. Show here. I'm writing like this. So okay. When I give a symbol like this, it show the information. So it vary at present both are take the same value. So like that you can execute the, you can execute and predict the company symbol with the help of company symbol and display the stock results. This is about the project. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.